Blisters are painful lesions that often form at the top of the heels due to the friction between the feet and shoes. They are not a serious problem nor do they last long, but they can be so painful that it becomes necessary to remove your shoes to calm them. However, there are a few solutions to prevent your shoes from giving you blisters. Blisters almost always start while new shoes are softening and adjusting to the shape of the foot. However, it is necessary to take care of them because they often tend to get infected. Fortunately, there are some solutions and preventative measures that can help protect the skin before this injury develops. In this video we want to give you 6 recommendations that you can apply next time you wear new or hard shoes. Number 1. Use moisturizer. Applying a layer of moisturizer to both the heels and the shoes can prevent rubbing and the formation of blisters. This product keeps the skin lubricated and prevents abrasions when it comes into contact with rigid material. How to use it? Before putting your shoes on, apply a little moisturizer to the area that comes into contact with the heel. Also, rub it into the area of skin at risk with gentle massaging motions. Number 2. Apply aloe vera. The hydrating properties of aloe vera gel are useful to protect the skin from the abrasion it suffers from some kinds of shoes. This also has an antimycotic effect which prevents the appearance of infections. How to use it? Apply a generous quantity of aloe vera gel to your heels. Rub it in with a gentle massage until it absorbs well. If the blister has already appeared, use it twice a day. Number 3. Coconut oil. In the field of natural cosmetics, coconut oil is considered one of the best moisturizing creams. When applied to the heels, it also reduces the rubbing of the skin against shoes that cause blisters. In fact, it is a great remedy against any surface wound because it protects against infections and helps with healing. How to use it? Rub the product onto the areas affected by rubbing. If you like, also put a little on the inside of the shoe to lubricate the material. Number 4. Use talcum powder. Although we know it better for its ability to neutralize and prevent bad foot odor, talcum powder is also a great solution to prevent your shoes from giving you blisters. It absorbs the humidity caused by sweating, a factor which also contributes to the friction on the skin caused by using closed shoes. How to use it? Put a good quantity of talcum powder in the area of the heel of the shoe and on the skin. Number 5. Use Vaseline. Moisturizing the feet with Vaseline helps to keep the skin soft, free of dead cells and free of injuries like blisters. The oily texture of this product makes the foot slippery when using shoes, thus preventing the skin from being in constant contact with the leather or rigid materials. How to use it? Take a little Vaseline with the tips of your fingers and rub it into your heels and other affected parts. Number 6. Use bag of ice. Have you bought a pair of shoes that are a bit tight? As they are likely to give you blisters, the best option is to try to increase the size a little before starting to wear them. A simple bag of ice becomes a solution to stretch the material a little and so make them more comfortable. How to use it? Have fill 2 bags with water and seal them well. Put 1 bag in each shoe in the area where they feel tightest, and put them in the freezer. When they freeze, remove them, dry off any remaining water and wear the shoes. As you can see, there are very simple tricks to prevent your feet from suffering from these painful injuries caused by some shoes. Choose the option that appeals most to you and use it as a preventative measure against this problem. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Click bell icon to be notified for our latest videos. Thank you for watching.